find a comfortable seated position with your spine straight and your hands resting gently on your knees. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your belly to expand. Hold it for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension. Focus on the base of your spine, where the Muladhara Chakra is located. Visualize a vibrant red light glowing at this point. As you inhale, imagine this red light becoming brighter and more vivid. As you exhale, feel any stress or negativity melting away, replaced by a sense of stability and security. Mentally repeat the affirmation: I am grounded, safe, and secure. With each repetition, feel the power of these words strengthening your connection to the earth and reinforcing your sense of stability. Imagine roots extending from the base of your spine down into the ground, anchoring you firmly. These roots are strong and unbreakable, providing you with unwavering support and nourishment from the earth. Envision the warm, red energy of your root chakra spreading throughout your entire body. Send this energy to any areas where you feel tension or discomfort, allowing it to dissolve any blockages and promote healing and balance. Visualize yourself standing barefoot on rich, fertile soil. Feel the earth beneath your feet, solid and nurturing. Imagine absorbing its strength and vitality through the soles of your feet, filling your entire being with grounding energy. Picture a majestic red lotus blooming at the base of your spine. Each petal of this lotus represents aspects of stability, security, and vitality. Feel its beauty and strength reinforcing your sense of grounding. Imagine a gentle, warm red light surrounding your entire body, like a protective shield. This light connects you to the earth and provides you with a constant source of energy and strength. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling more connected and at peace with each inhale and exhale. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently open your eyes and take a moment to appreciate the stability and calm within you.